Hey everyone, it's Michelle here, back from Fine Natural Hair and Faith, and in today's video I've come back to share with you my updated supply of natural herbs that I use to care for my hair. Now that I'm pretty much 95% herbal in my hair care. I know some people will say Ayurvedic. I am no longer using that term, and there is a reason for it. I'm actually going to just leave the article that I wrote all about why I'm no longer using that term and why I am using the term herbal. But that's not what this video is about, but check it out. I'll leave it in a link. Ugh. Check it out. I will leave a link in the description box below. I don't know why I get so tongue-tied. As long as I have been like recording videos on YouTube, you would think I would get my speech together by now. In other news, I am banding my hair. This is what I do to get stretch most of the time. Sometimes I will do roller sets with curl formers, and I'll use SSK. What do you call those things? Y'all know SSK, CWK girls, SSK, the things, the long. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so back to the topic of this video because I'm getting way off topic. Okay, so for starters, I have not been using just straight henna because, number one, I have found this Napur, and it contains 9 other herbs in addition to henna that are so beneficial to the hair, and I've discovered that it also covers my grays. So I'm sort of getting like 10 in 1, which is wonderful. It contains hibiscus, brahmi, shakaikai, methi, which is fenugreek, neem, jadmansi, aloe vera, bingraj, and amla. All of the herbs combined with the henna in this product basically do everything I want it to do, and I don't have to mix it myself. So, and it's so cheap on Amazon. I will leave that link in the description box below. I'm using aretha powder. So aretha is beneficial for actually cleansing your hair. You can cleanse your hair with aretha and get really great results. I bought this brand. I tend to buy all of my herbs organic when possible. When not possible, I make sure that they're at least non-GMO. It has a suggested use, and it basically tells you how you can create hair masks, how you can create a hair wash. I typically use it specifically to create a hair mask, and what I would do is, as the directions say, you can mix it with amla, shakaikai, and fenugreek. So, and it comes out really awesome. Like when I tell you, my curls, they just feel amazing. And by the way, I am going to share, oh, my son's machine is going off. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I don't have a lot of daylight going on. And also my son he's getting his infusion of Pediasure. I still have some Shea Bay powder. Y'all know how I feel about Shea Bay if you've been following me anytime. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might just use it up, just I don't know for what reason, because it hasn't done anything for my hair. I am still using a Curly Proverbs green tea rinse from Bell Bar Organic. I typically would like to make most of the products. Like I make my own hair oil, which I will share in a future video, but for the most part, when it comes to the green tea rinse, I would just keep buying this. You only need to use a small amount, and even though the products are kind of expensive, I think this one is really worth it. I still have some of Curly Proverbs Henna hair gloss left, which I am actually replacing this with the Napur henna because, again, it has so many other great herbs. You can create a hair gloss with that as well, and I've done so a number of times, and I feel like my results are the same for a much cheaper price. So I have some aloe vera powder. This I have yet to open, but I know why this is beneficial. It adds moisture, and it also adds a little bit of slip to your product. So when I'm doing some DIY hair treatments and I want to add some additional moisture, I will add some aloe vera to the mix. This is by Just Javik. It is organic aloe vera powder, and I got it from Amazon. When I want to do a cassia gloss, I have my cassia obavata from the Henna guys. They sell on Amazon as well, and this product was actually made in India. Most of the herbs that I do get on Amazon, I wait a while because I get them directly from India. Some of them I get, you know, here, and it's no problem, but This one is made in India, and I have yet to open this package because I still, again, have some of my other cassia glosses from Curly Proverbs line, but I'm going to be using this to create my cassia gloss. Said I was going to hold out since I was using the Napur, but I've got my organic methy fenugreek seeds. And what I do is I use a recipe from Effie36. I'm just going to totally mess up her YouTube channel name. So I'm actually going to leave a link in the description box below to her video where she shows you how to make a fenugreek spray. It's so simple, so easy. I've done it and I'm liking the results as I spray it on my hair right now. It does keep the hair very moisturized. It feels strong, but you know, that could be in conjunction with a bunch of other stuff. I'm not sure. But I am loving just the use of fenugreek in my hair regimen anyway. So the spritz is great. I alternate between this fenugreek spray, spritz, and the green tea spray. I have some Bingraj powder. I use this to mix up with shikakai and amla as well. I use it mixed also with rose powder, hibiscus. I mean, all of the different herbs work so well together to create a hair mask, and I am going to share some of the recipes in a future video. There's my hibiscus and my rose petal powder. I use these as well, and sometimes, like I said, I combine them with the Bingraj or with the other ingredients. This is organic hibiscus flowers from Star West Botanicals, also on Amazon. Basically, I get mostly everything on Amazon. I love Amazon. And then the rose petal powder. What I like about this is this really does actually give your hair a nice shine and a nice glow when you combine it with all the other ingredients. Here, I had to put it in here because I got this directly from India, but it was in like a really weird package. It was a very small amount, but it's Brahmi, and you know, the package doesn't reseal, so I'm not going to buy from them anymore, but I will definitely get another brand and get my Brahmi on, because Brahmi is great for your natural hair as well. It helps to add strength. It helps to fight dandruff. It just has a number of uses. Here is my shikakai, which I've had forever. It's a powder I keep in this baggie because, again, the manufacturer thought it was not necessary to use a Ziploc or resealable bag, which is bugged because who uses the whole thing? You know, you need to have resealable packages, people. Just saying. Another organic powder, amla, I keep in this baggie because, again, no reseal. And I've been using this for a while. I usually mix my amla with my shikakai and some henna, and that's when I used to create the henna spray, but you could also use it to create a mask. Last but not least, and I am running out of daylight. I'm so sorry, you guys. My nurse was here for my son, and I'm just now getting a chance to film this video, and I did want to film it earlier. Time escapes me all the time. Hopefully I can fill this light in, but in the meantime, ignore me and just pay attention to the packaging because this is clear. Okay, so this is what I have left over from the Cornerstone Skin henna blend that was sent to me. The henna is far down on the ingredient list, so I wouldn't say that this is rich in henna because it's so far down on the ingredient list that it's really, you know, it's got aloe vera leaves, amla fruits, ashwagandha root, baheta fruit, Bingraj, Brahmi cloves, curry leaves, cedarwood, fenugreek, flaxseed, ginger, gotu-kola, and then henna. And then, you know, the other ingredients. But I did like this mask. It has so much comes in this package. Probably not going to repurchase this just because I have all my other herbs, and I really like to combine certain things for certain purposes rather than having like 30 herbs. This one has 30 plus herbs for growth and nourishment, but I really, you know, I really prefer to kind of scale down how many herbs I use at once and just use, say, like 2 or 3 or 4 together versus, you know, a lot at once. That's it for my I'm gonna stand up and get into the light. Give me a moment. I'm gonna pretty much finish this video because my daylight is pretty much done. What you see out there is my terrace, and it's getting dark. It may not look as dark to you, but trust me, it's getting dark. So that is it. I will definitely be sharing some recipes with you all that I use in my hair. I am seeing progress in the strength of my hair, in the fullness of my hair. I mean, obviously you can't tell from here how my hair is what it's looking like, but yeah, it's improving. Now, before I go though, I almost forgot. Like, I talked to y'all like I'm like y'all my homies, because you know, y'all are my homies. I started a new blog. I am typically a person who wears buns most of the time. Sometimes it's double bun, sometimes it's triple bun, sometimes it's a single bun, a high bun, low bun, side bun, bun with twists, bun with braids. I am a serial bunner. That's right, and if you haven't guessed by now, the name of the blog is The Serial Bunner. Literally www.theserialbunner.com. Now the blog is really new, so there's a lot of pages under construction, but I did start posting over there, and basically that site is going to be about all things bun. Bunning natural hair for length retention, protective styling with buns on natural hair. I'll be sharing accessories that I use, decorating the bun, chic buns, shabby buns, naturally curly buns, you name it. I will be sharing it on my head, as well as tools, accessories, and recommended products to create your best buns ever. I will leave that link as well in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace. God bless you.